Welcome. In this short video, we'll walk you through logging in to the NC Flood Resiliency Blueprint tool. Let's get started. First, we'll log in with an existing NCID. Click on the Login with NCID button. Enter your NCID username. Remember, use your username, not your email address. Next, enter your password and click NCID Login. This will log you in and route you to the Blueprint tool homepage. If you don't have an NCID, don't worry. We can help you register for one. First, select Login with NCID and select Register Now. Choose the type of NCID you need. If you're a state or local government employee, you'll need to go through your NCID delegated administrator. We'll click on Local Government Employee to show those delegated administrator lists. Municipalities and public colleges can be found in the county list. If you're not a state or local employee, you can register as an individual or a business. Fill out the registration form, create your username and password, and click Save. It takes a little time for your NCID to get into the system, so give it a little time before trying to log into the tool. If you experience any issues with your NCID, go to NCDIT's help page by selecting Need Help, or by searching it.nc.gov/support/NCID. That's it. You've just learned how to log in to the NC Flood Resiliency Blueprint tool. For more training videos, visit us at youtube.com/@ncdeq.